JSON, an acronym for JavaScript Object Notation, serves as a lightweight data interchange format. It consists of plain text formatted using JavaScript Object Notation and is employed for transmitting data between computers. JSON is language agnostic, which means that it is not tied to a specific programming or scripting language, and code for reading and generating JSON is widely available across numerous programming languages. JSON syntax originates from the syntax of JavaScript Object Notation and is characterized by the following conventions. Data is structured in name-value pairs. Each name-value pair comprises a field name enclosed in double quotes, followed by a colon and then the corresponding value. Data elements are delimited by commas. Objects are enclosed within curly braces. Arrays are enclosed within square brackets. JSON format closely resembles the syntax used for constructing JavaScript objects. As a result, a JavaScript program can effortlessly transform JSON data into JavaScript objects. JavaScript provides two built-in functions for these operations. To convert JSON strings into JavaScript objects, you can use JSON parse. As in this example, with JSON parse we can access any property of the person object, such as person's name, while JSON stringify method is available for converting objects into JSON strings. In this example, we have car object, and with JSON stringify, we can convert that object to JSON string. Now let's compare JSON and XML. Both JSON and XML are used to receive data from a web server. JSON differs from XML in several ways. JSON typically results in shorter data representations, while XML is not that short at all. JSON doesn't have AND tags. XML is based on those tags. JSON is more efficient for both reading and writing, while XML is more verbose and harder to read. The most significant distinction lies in the fact that XML requires an XML parser for parsing, while JSON can be parsed using a standard JavaScript function. And that's it. That's the main things that you need to know when dealing with the JSON. Leave a comment and tell me which do you prefer more, using JSON or XML or anything else. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. See ya!